Hello. My name is Alex, and I am a producer and sound engineer. Have you been looking for a professional sound engineer to mix and master your songs to industry standards? Search no more because you just hit the right spot. I will mix and master your songs with the following techniques: EQ, compression, limiting, de-essing, level adjustments, FX delays, reverb, vocal pitch correction, auto-tune, dynamic automation, gain enhancements, high-quality WAV and MP3 files, as required for distribution on Spotify, Apple Music, Napster, iTunes, Deezer, Radio, Amazon Music. See what others have to say, and be the judge. I am a professional sound engineer on Fiverr. What are you still waiting for? Click the Order Now button to have your songs mixed and mastered professionally.